keep losing the real. I don't even know if there's any of them left. If you still real, wanted to ride, then you know it's up to you to make a comeback. That's what that is.
Perfect.
All up in the city where they love me at. Young nigga, night out and insomniac. Killing all my enemies slowly, dog. Niggas hate me cause I keep coming back. And kill 'em again, kill 'em again. Double tap for 100%. I'm 100%, bitch, 100%. Fucked it and hit all of her friends. Faced hard times and came through. Still I'm the man, bitch, I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man, you know I'm the man. Been dropping hits since I dropped my nuts. Been hitting sluts like hockey pucks. Freestyle a lot, don't write enough. Make gold rush, got the Midas touch. Got my Tommy tuck, get your tummy tucked.
Perfect.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Your hands can't hit what your eyes don't see. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Rest in peace to Muhammad Ali. Rumble, I rumble, big ballin', my tumble. Rumble, I rumble, big ballin', my tumble. Rumble, I rumble, big ballin', my tumble.
Cassius, you've been going around saying that you're the resurrector of the fight game, the savior of boxing. Everything. What do you think that boxing would be today if you weren't around? Oh man, if it wasn't for me, they'd be doing good to get $50 a ringside seat. How to raise the price up to $250. What do you think, Rick? I've got people trying for airplanes, models from Chicago, New York, flying special charter jet planes in, champagne flights just to see the champ. Rich people from all over the world are flying in